Right now, millions of people are staring at glowing screens, mesmerized by the ability to generate a poem or an image on command. This creates the impression that AI is a specific application, something we must deliberately open, interrogate, and wait for. But focusing on the user interface ignores the silent integration of AI into the global economic backbone. Viewing AI as a more capable search engine leaves us unprepared for the autonomous systems currently being deployed behind the scenes. This invisible architecture is already operating without our permission. Zooming out to the macroeconomy, AI has transitioned from a consumer novelty into foundational infrastructure. When you swipe a card, a neural network analyzes millions of data points in milliseconds to detect fraud. In hospitals, computer vision models identify microscopic anomalies on medical scans. In factories, this industrial timeline chart shows algorithms monitoring sensors to prevent equipment failure. These systems don't wait for a prompt. They operate as continuous, automated decision-making layers. Global supply chains and financial networks now rely on this invisible layer, where the technology performs best without a human interface. That same background autonomy is moving from global infrastructure down to the individual desktop. The next major shift is the rise of AI agents, bringing background autonomy directly into your personal workflow. Instead of just answering a question, these agents are designed to execute entire multi-step projects. Provide an overarching goal, like a market research brief and meeting schedule. The agent breaks that goal into sequential steps, pulling financial data and drafting summaries without human input. It then coordinates with external software, using your email and calendar to complete the chain. When software can research, synthesize, and execute a logistics chain on its own, the focus of human work moves away from content generation and into autonomous process execution. In this economy, success depends on managing systems rather than holding a tool. At the macro level, agentic systems have the potential to unlock business productivity and support entirely new industries. On a personal level, traditional workflows built around repetitive, single tasks are changing. To adapt, workers must transition from being competitors against software to becoming orchestrators of these autonomous agents. This architecture is already securing your credit cards and powering your digital recommendations. Will you recognize the opportunity and learn to manage this invisible architecture before everyone else does? Subscribe for more insights into the future of technology.